Okay, now that I'm the teacher, Andrew, if I am a heat pump. No, like everyone said, this was amazing. Meeting everyone, special someone, as everyone says so far. Yes, you, Danny, yes. Thank you, Andrew and Danny and Rob. Amazing teachers. If I had you in high school, I probably never would have dropped out.
I don't know if I would have made you drop out.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for always pushing me, like you always do. Great experience. Thank you. I made it quick.